Good morning, watch fans. This is Big Jim with the Big Wrist. Well, there was a problem with the video I just posted the other day. I tried to edit it out, and the video got corrupted while I was doing the edit. So I had to put it on private, and I'll have to rip it out probably. If I can't fix it, I'll have to delete it, I guess. But anyways, this is the Citizen NJ0170-83z. It's a JDM only citizen's answer, I'm going to guess, to the 5KX, the dive style watch. This is a 100-meter water resist, push-pull crown, and a mineral crystal. So, it's still a great watch. It doesn't do all the bells and whistles that a lot of micro brands do. In fact, I've got a couple of micro brands here that blow this thing away. But this has the great Citizen movement in here that's crazy reliable. And this is running at plus 12 for one day. And now it's kind of settled into plus 7. So it's running really well for a non-hackable movement. It's running great. It's got about a 42-hour power reserve from what I can tell. I think it's rated for 40 hours. So really nothing to complain about here for a $230 watch. I believe is what I paid, $230 I think. I have to find that receipt, but I think so. It was very reasonably priced. Had to come out of Japan. Took 10 days to get here. And then I played tag with the postman once it was in town. So it was fun because they wanted me to sign for it. I don't know why. A lot more expensive watches than that have been dropped on my doorstep without signing for them. So anyways, I tested the crystal, and I looked at the back a lot, and it's kind of a plain Jane movement back here. I can get this opened up for you. It literally is nothing special on the back. It's just a Citizen basic 8210 movement. Been around a long time. And my initial unboxing video, I was really, really thrilled. It came on a very decent strap. This is the original strap it came on. It has that absolutely terrible, tin looking scissor clasp going on. So I put it on this. I had ordered this specifically for this watch. This is a beads of rice bracelet from, I forget, Strap Hut. There it is, Strap Hut. $39. It came with spring bars. It's got a really good clasp. It has micros. It has 3 micros in there. The links are very small, which is nice. The links are very small. The links are smaller than the 3 micros, so it means you're going to get a great fit. I took 1 link, I believe, out of this to make it fit my big 8-inch wrist. If I left the link in, it would fit 8 1/4, 8 5/8 maybe comfortably. Depends on how you like your watches. So very comfortable bracelet for $40, less than $40. I had a small coupon too. I think I had a 10% off coupon on the bracelet. Really can't complain. This is replacing the Doxa I got kind of screwed out of a few weeks ago. I had ordered a Doxa 200T, which is essentially a yellow dial with a black bezel and a domed sapphire crystal, giant domed sapphire crystal. Well, this is a millimeter or so thinner. This is 12.8 thick. That's an actual dive watch. This is really a 100-meter watch. You could take it swimming, but with the push-pull crown, just a straight push-pull crown, you got to really be careful getting much beyond, swimming. I've washed the car with this already. I've had it a week, 4 or 5 days. So really can't complain too much. It's exactly what I wanted at quite a bit less money. So, this is just a quick replacement video for the one I just did. It's not really an unboxing because the unboxing video got corrupted somehow. I have no idea what happened. It happened one time before on a YouTube video where the file got corrupted. I had to delete it. It is what it is. So this has been Big Jim talking about the new watch. Love it to death. If anybody's curious, today I'm wearing a G-Shock GA2100 Solar with the Bluetooth and all the goodies. I think it's, let me get a good look at that sucker. This is a conglomerate of 3 watches. The steel GA2100, this is the strap off of that. This is the bezel off of the regular GA2100, and this is the movement from the solar. I just love this. See, compare the two. I just prefer the black bezel over the straight yellow. So I put this on the one I'll wear the most, which is the solar. Anyways, back to this watch. As you can see, I have a lot of yellow watches. I like them. Yellow and black are my favorite colors, and I have, you know, I now have 4 watches with the yellow and black theme. So as you can see, very, very nice little theme going on. This has a black case with a silver bezel, but everybody's got some black on it. So anyways, this is my own personal thing. This is actually a fantastic watch from Deep Blue at $200. It is a thick boy. You know, it is 15 millimeters thick. This is, you know, 2.5 millimeters thinner. But they are basically the same watch, as you can tell. This has a really crazy, great sunburst effect and amazing lume, and this has a pebble effect. Maybe I'll put this one on actually, this is a really good bracelet, so maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave this one alone. But anyways, this has been Big Jim with the Big Wrist, talking about watches. You guys have a great one, and I will catch you on the next time. Bye.